yo ya kotoko fan ba ko wa hani din e de champ akwawa
nyame adom na also
nyankopon adom na a champ and ehwe game na yentimi nim kunim a se me na obeka o ka fa game no.
First of all the American say players no abom on modern because we share first department of the game now we fa dominate here papa but omo ko ba second half no omo start otimu say kotoko team no e stable am mutimi bobo am kotoko etimenya a pointer ebebo am team na akonenim we hwa Johnson Smith ya de bi obi an hye ne so obe so kotoko bobo kunum as assistant manager utimu say o win matches ni bi o lose match we win bi e wo home and away so at least otimi pick pointer we kire say to so na ye the team name Johnson Smith dia ebetima abo am bobo kuna koneni but ye pese ye ko Africa so na yetimi ko boy home modern dia ye nya top notch coach Obabe assistant Johnson Smith the boys na bo home modern
na and they hwa in for the workers na eto sin okotoko team name.
First of all, make us a midfield no because we share Muniru ni we ya Abrante e friend say Sarkodia first half na say mention na hu ni ye but Muniru prior na yedi Emmanuel some of him pomo ebe mu no mitimu za na midfield na is stable ye papa ntino eno so boy makotoko etimi nya go but we Abrante bi Abrante e friend no Kwame Poku na mu say Abrante we anye lucky a ye be obefi kotoko because born no born dey anu edin ye papa onim go she serious for the past 3 seasons me who striker met magazine morning bo soro to say Kwame Poku o hwe kotoko setup no
okay ye better as champ no